So far my table's looking pretty good, but I want to actually kind of give it some left and right border or padding actually, but that's not exactly it. I don't want to say that's what I want to do, because I don't want border padding. That's kind of mentally what I think I want to do, but that's not what I can do, because this width is because it's fluid. I need to define that in a different way. So right now this table is taking up 100% of this thing. So no matter which way it is, it's going to take up 100%. I still want this thing to be fluid, so I think that the easiest thing I could do is define a width for this table to be something less than 100%, and it'll fit pretty nicely in there. So what I'm going to do is I am going to target my table, and I'm just going to do it straight through CSS. It's the quickest way I think I could do it. And what I'm going to add, so it's just the center space table. Obviously you got to put that hash over there, and I'm going to define a width as, let's say, 98%. Once I save that, what happens? Okay, now it's 98% of this, and that's cool, because it's always going to happen. It's always going to sit there at 98%. Actually, I kind of even like it. Look, the further I pull it, the fatter the border is over here, the separation. But more than just it being separated, I also want it in the middle. So now I've aligned things in the middle before, so how do you think this is done? Well, if you were thinking margin left auto and margin right auto, you were right on the money, because it's going to be that CSS that is going to put this thing right in the middle for us. Now we have everything visible, and just to make sure that we preview this thing in all three of our main browsers, let's see, Internet Explorer, okay, looking good, has the movement, and last but not least, Safari, there we go, looking good. So in order to get this effect, all I did was change the width. I did a percentage change, so I changed it from being 100% of the fluid center to being 98%, and then I did a auto margin left and auto margin right, margin left auto, margin right auto for both sides, to make sure that it's always sitting right there in the middle.